Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chrysler 300 battery. First, locate your battery, which is typically in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Always ensure you are in a well-ventilated area to prevent any gas buildup. Before touching anything, put on your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential acid and electrical hazards. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Before connecting, ensure your charger is unplugged and turned off. First, attach the positive or red charger clamp to the positive terminal on your battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the negative or black clamp to a good ground point on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery. Avoid connecting it directly to the negative battery terminal for safety. Once connected, plug in your charger and turn it on. Set the charger to the appropriate voltage and amperage for your battery. Lower amps generally mean a slower but more reliable charge. Monitor the battery throughout the process for any signs of overheating or swelling. A full charge can take several hours or even overnight, especially for a deeply discharged battery. Consult your charger's instructions for specific timing. After your battery is fully charged, turn off and unplug the charger from the wall outlet. Then, disconnect the clamps in reverse order. Remove the negative or black clamp first, followed by the positive or red clamp. Inspect your battery terminals for any corrosion and clean them with a wire brush if necessary to ensure good contact. Finally, check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice air fresheners and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.